Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 8th to the 14th. First thing are these two boosters that showed up a little bit later in the week. The first is a 15 back when you spend 75, RBCVS, and a 3 back when you buy 5 oral care items, and that is an online only. Now, that one on the top, I know that a lot of people have been doing transactions on Sundays, and basically the transaction and the money is not showing. What I recommend is to do the deal later in the week, not on Sunday the 8th. I would try the 9th or later in the week, and if you have one of those sort of issues, just hang on to your information, the receipt, and then call customer service like 5 days post, which is a pain. A lot of us have been dealing with that. And please treat this video also as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 8th. Before we dive into the deals, if you can do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, and since I'm not a total Grinch, we have a photo of Kevin the bear giving another bear a cute little Christmas kiss. Janet, if you're watching, I hope you're laughing. Okay. First deal we're looking at is an absolute stock up. It's BOGO 50% off on the Scott paper products and a 2 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these paper products and it's BOGO 50% off. You don't have to load a store coupon this month. 2 of them is $7.50 because they're $5 each. Subtracting that manufacturer, you're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per paper product. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay, and I call this deal a super smart one. Okay, following the next one we have is the $2.49 Cheerios, and we have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. Over on IBOTTA, on specifically the Cheerios, there's 50 cents back on each box. And so make sure you're scanning to make sure that this is still there. Grabbing 2 of these, it'll be $4.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $3.98. Get back $1 from IBOTTA, 50 cents per box, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per box of cereal. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Favorite deal is back, the $4 Colgate dental care products. We have a 4 off 2 digital, $3 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of those $4 products, it's $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I believe that 4 off 2 digital is also from the week previous. So if you did it last week, you can't do it 2 weeks consecutive unless a new one populates. But 50 cents for dental care is a really good price point. Now we're at this one again, which is the $5 Crest Oral-B. Now, is that $5 P&G coupon going to print when you spend $20? It's unknown. I didn't see any tagging at my store yet. They were printing. But if they are printing again, it's going to make this deal so much better. 3 of these Crest products, it'll be $15. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $10. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $5 for 3 or $1.66 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you were going to try and buy $20 of P&G products, obviously you're $5 short. But somebody will test this on Sunday and we will find out what's going on with it, but that would be really spectacular. Now, the Tresemme at $6, we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, which is a high value one, $2 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of the $6 products, that's exactly $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5 for 2 or $2.50 per Tresemme product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I would definitely photograph this to the Fetch Rewards account. They have been very generous with all the Unilever products. Will you get a little something back? Yes or no? I'm hoping yes. Now for the Huggies diapers, they are 2 for $21, $5 reward when you buy 3. Currently we have this, which is $1.50 off of 1. I'm hoping for more digital coupons on Sunday because this one coupon isn't it. So grabbing 3 of these, it would be $31.50. Subtracting Chintzy, you would pay $30. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $25 for 3 packs. That is way too much. If you have a bigger booster one, like the $75, this $31.50 would be a huge chunk of that. That's the only way I could really reconcile. If you need diapers, I would try and finesse this with a couple other deals. But it is very, very expensive. The Pampers deals every other week is way better than this one. Okay, now looking at a couple chocolate deals, there is a cocoa shortage, the raw cocoa. So all the chocolates across the board are a lot more. We have a $2 off coupon. So on these Kisses that are $6.50, they'll be $4.50. I would try and use a Register Reward or Walgreens Cash to pick that up, especially if you use these for baking around the holiday season. And then we also have the Ghirardelli. The Ghirardelli is 2 for $10. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. I know IBOTTA had a rebate, but I think it expired on Friday. It would make it $9 for the 2 or $4.50 per. These are all individually packed too. So if you were going to throw in some Halloween candy with this, put it in a glass jar with a ribbon. Maybe that's going to be Christmas this year because chocolates are so expensive, my friends. The Softsoap body wash at $6, $2 reward when you buy 2. This is also part of the Colgate family if you didn't know. So anyhow, we have this very generous 5 off 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. Just a very basic deal here. Grabbing 2 of the Softsoap body washes, that's exactly $12. Subtracting our digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5 for 2 or $2.50 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you want to do this deal with no booster. But a lot of these body washes are, we don't really get a lot of deals on Softsoap. So if that is your thing, this is a very good deal pour vous. Moving it along, guys, we have the Always. I'm curious if Tampax is part of this. $5 store register reward when you buy 2, and they are 2 for $16. Now, IBOTTA has a rebate for $1.50 back on each. So definitely check if you have this and scan everything. Like, is the coupon attaching? Yes or no? We don't really get a lot of Tampax deals anymore, I've noticed. But grabbing 2 of these for $16, you're going to get back your $5 store coupon, $3 back from IBOTTA, so that's $8 right there. So it basically makes it $8 for the 2 or $4 per, and it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Is Tampax included, yes or no? That's my question, and I'm going to have to investigate that. This would be an excellent item to throw in a $75 basket, but obviously you can't use Walgreens Cash to pay down the balance. Okay, now we have this very large jug of Purex for $9.99. We have a $2 digital coupon. IBOTTA, I believe, also has a $2 rebate for this guy. So one of these, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7.99. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back. It makes this big bottle of detergent $5.99, and it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I mean, if you just wanted to use some register rewards or turn something into a couple IBOTTA dollars, I mean, not the worst little deal. Another great detergent deal is the 4 for $10 on the Tide Simply Bounce, Downy Unstoppables, the Gain fabric softener. It makes it $2.50 per. If you might have like a $5 P&G register reward, you want to throw it into this, so you'd pay $5, or other register rewards or Walgreens Cash, it would make it a super smart deal. Now, guys, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions for the end of the video, and there are quite a few. The first one goes to the BOGO free for the Oscar Mayer bacon and the Kellogg's Pop-Tarts. And there's a larger box pictured, so I would definitely keep my eye out for that one in the store instead of just the smaller box if that's your thing. And then the Native deodorant specifically, a lot of this is on clearance. So if you can find one around that $4 mark with the $4 register reward when you buy 2, possibly you can get it on a BOGO free. Now, I see this little digital coupon, a 6 off of 2 for the Maybelline. Is it going to actually be there? Are we going to get a new digital coupon for Maybelline? Like, I'm hoping so, because so much of this makeup is on clearance right now, and that would be so amazing to get, some really cheap Maybelline. And then we have BOGO free on the Gold Bond lotion. So that's definitely something we're going to have to look at for a curbside deal, because I know that a lot of us are trying to stock up on lotion this time of the year. And then BOGO 50% off on your baking needs if you wanted to throw in a bunch of Walgreens Cash, register rewards. It's a way to get your baking stuff on the cheap. $9.99 for these complete home trash bags. One item I absolutely hate paying money for is garbage bags, so a deal for me. And the smaller ones, $1.99 for these complete home smaller trash bags. So if you need those, and then a buy one get two for free on the complete home food storage bags. So it makes it like $2.79 for the 3 or 93 cents per 20 count, which is a very good deal. And we have these 12 counts, 3 for $14.99. Pepsi is included, and W Canada Dry. So that is not a bad price point, 3 for $14.99 compared to $9.99 for one. And the Walgreens brand, which is the nice brand, $1.78 for the different, chocolate covered pretzels or yogurt covered pretzels. They have a lot of these, possibly put them into a Christmas basket. Just some ideas for Christmas. That's it for this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.